A woman who fights to protect her marriage is not weak. She is incredibly strong. It takes courage to stay, to try, to forgive, and to rebuild when things get hard. While the world may only celebrate easy love, real love is often tested in silence, patience, and resilience. You are not just holding a relationship together, you are protecting a bond, a promise, a shared history, and a future that still has meaning. Every effort you may make, every tear you hide, every time you choose understanding over anger, that is strength. But remember this too, fighting for your marriage should never mean losing yourself. Your dignity, your peace, and your self-worth matter just as much. A strong marriage is not built by one person alone. It grows when both hearts choose to stay, respect, and support each other. Keep going if your heart still believes in it. But never forget, you deserve love that feels safe, valued, and returned. A woman who chooses to stand for her marriage, even when things fall apart, carries a strength most people will never understand. She doesn't walk away at the first sign of struggle. She reflects, she tries, she gives her all to make things work. That effort is not a weakness, it is a rare kind of bravery that deserves respect. There are days when it feels exhausting, when it seems like no one sees your efforts or understands your pain. At every time you choose patience over anger, every time you try to fix instead of break, you are showing a level of maturity and love that builds something real, not something temporary. Just don't forget, while you're saving your marriage, you should never lose your own voice, your peace, or your identity. The right relationship will not only survive because of you, it will grow because both of you choose each other every single day. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.